So how it works is, suppose if I'm changing here to 10,000, you can see it changed to 10k, and if I type here 10k, and you can see here it's showing as a value as 10,000. Hello everyone, welcome to Excelos. In this video we'll learn how to convert number to compact format. So let's get started with the video. For the first example, to convert number from 10,000 to 10k, we have to use here the formula round, and then select the number and divided by 1000 comma 2, and then use here ampersand and here the format k, and then press enter. Now you can see it converted into 10k, and if I type here 1000, you can see it's working fine. And for the second example, if I want to convert number from 10k to 10,000, for that again what formula we have to use? We have to type here value, and then we have to type here substitute, and then select the number, and then the format, which is like k, and then new text should be blank because we don't need here the format, we just need the number. So we'll just close the bracket here, all these bracket, and into 1000, right? And you can see it converted into number format. And the same way, if you want to convert into million format, for that what you have to do is simply just change it here m, and here 1000 into 100,000, and just say like, and if I type here 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh, and it's showing as a 0.1 million. So this is how you can convert number to the compact format. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Excelos. Thank you so much for watching.